ever.
And he's taking us to a drift spot, bro.
I know.
The cops are taking us to a drift spot. What the
Like, yeah, that's why he's here.
Alrighty, good morning guys. Thomas Miata here. And we've got LZ's here? Yeah. Oh shit. So we got LZ and Colette, and we're about to throw down on the street thanks to the local PD. Yeah, buddy. What's up? Oh yeah. What's up, LZ? Oh shit, it's about to go down. What's up, man? Hell yeah, this is super random. Nice meeting you, dude.
Yeah, same here.
Take it. So what made you interested?
I just saw the car. I saw them earlier.
Yeah.
Here at McDonald's, and then I saw your car, so I came check it out. And
yeah.
Checked out your Instagram.
We're like the late kids. We all rolled in really late, and then stayed up late editing because everyone else is just rolling, except this guy right here. What's up, Adam? This is gonna be interesting.
Donuts on that side.
Hell yeah. Well, in that case, I gotta take my trailer off.
I wanted to give you a challenge coin since you're the first person I met.
What is this?
It's just like every department, some of them have them.
Yeah.
Like we have patches.
Uh-huh.
You could trade a patch or you trade a coin, and you're the first person I met. So.
Holy shit. Okay. Oh, wow. That's so cool, man. All right. Well, I mean, Fort Stockton is awesome. What can we do to help promote the town or promote you or what?
I don't know. Just keep coming through, I guess.
Hell yeah. Well, I mean, we'll be doing DriftWeek2 next year. Yeah. Sweet. Okay, well, I'm going to go drop the trailer and we'll figure this out. Let's do it. All right, we got the wheels changed out and we are ready to rock. Thank you, Cricket, for the help. This will be interesting.
Oh, you're just recording.
I am. Oh yeah. That's definitely a first for me. Never done that before.
Yeah, we just got called in.
Oh,
Perfect time.
they tell us to stop. Say, you're gonna have to stop that. Noise disturbance. Yeah, let's get some shots. Let's get some photos. Oh, you know we're out here getting photos. Hell yeah, thanks to Rob and thanks to the Fort Stockton Police Department for being so cool. And then we're gonna probably head out after that. Thank you, sir. Stay out of trouble as much as possible. Hey guys, what's going on? Thomas Miata here. We're here with Louie with the Fort Stockton Police Department. He contacted me this morning and basically freaked me out. We had a great time, nice safe parking lot. Everyone's just doing first gear donuts basically. And yeah, so just tell us what you thought.
This morning there's three of these drift cars, and I was checking them out, and then I seen Thomas's car. So I went to go check that out. I followed him on Instagram, and it wasn't even 5 minutes. He followed me back, and I messaged him, and he got freaked out because I told him let's do donuts in a cop car. Well, around the cop car.
Around the cop car, yeah. I've never had this experience before, guys. I definitely have always avoided the police, but today has been changing my mind, and you know, hopefully the police and the drifter communities can all get along and and we'll keep it off the streets. We usually drifters prefer the track anyways. It's a lot safer. You can't go as hard on the street drifting, and really your first time at a track, you're going to learn so much compared to going out and risking, you know, lives and property. So keep it safe, keep it on the track and closed courses at least.
It was a great experience.
Hell yeah, super great experience. Thank you so much. I cannot say that enough. You are the man.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Yes.
I don't recommend full race car for Drift Week.
No. Hi, Bumpers. What you doing?
Cool. We made it. Thank you to our host.
Yeah. Welcome.
Everyone is dead from the road.
Exhausted.
Yeah, but we're gonna edit a video anyway.
Well, so yeah, it's kitchen. If you need cups for water.